It starts with demand. Your factory sets the target, the quality, and the quantity it must deliver. ListenField.ai understands that demand and works backward from it, all the way to the field. Here's the whole system at a glance. A foundation of data and models, a living map of the food supply chain, from farm to collector to factory to food, and on top, the analytics, workflows, and agentic automation that turn insight into action. First, we collect every signal: soil, weather, satellite, and farm management data. We clean it, match it to the map, and line it up in time. One unified record for every field, because every location carries a different profile, and the climate grows more volatile each season. Next, we connect the dots, linking fields, crops, farmers, and buyers into one live picture of the entire supply base. One connected view, built for stable production. Then the models go to work. AI, machine learning, crop models, and optimization running together. They forecast growth and yield, detect drought and heat risk, and assess conditions ahead to limit the damage, mapping it all across space. Every field carries a forecast, a risk score, and a confidence range. Finally, decisions become action. We build a dynamic standard procedure tuned to each location: planting plans, daily activities adjusted to risk, and harvest plans, written back to the people who execute them. Alerts to farmers, forecasts to buyers, automatically, one integrated system. Over 150,000 hectares under management, more than 5.4 billion bought in annual value, 38% greater climate resilience across 5 countries. From a single field signal to production certainty, every field heard, every harvest healthy. ListenField.ai